Hi, welcome back to my channel. I welcome you everyone. In order to go and get a vaccine in online, what you need to do and what thing you need to need it. So I'll be showing in my laptop right now. So I'll be giving you the detailed information. Come, let's see in the laptop right now. Okay, so here, in order to go, you need to open these things automatically. Well, you just click in my link. You will see like this, and the register or like sign in for the vaccine. So now what you need to do is that you need to put your phone number. Let me put it 9. So after I put it, what next? That is enter your OTP number. So I'm waiting. So I already get it, my OTP number. So I'll be put here my OTP number. That is 631244. This is only for one time password. So you can, you can register 4 member with 1 mobile number. So you can add 4 person. So what you need to do is that next, after you click next, you will see here in the first line, other card. Do you have other card? No. That means, do you have driving license? No. That means, do you have a PAN card? No. Do you have a passport? No. Do you have pension book? No. Do you have NPR smart card? No. Do you have voter card? No. No. You don't have. That means you are only like 3 or 4 month kids. So if you are above like 1 year, that means approximately like you will have all this type of card. So if you have like in here, you can choose anyone. What you have. I have other card, so I'll put my other card number. So my other card number is so after I put my other card, I put my name, and in down you will see male, female. Only you need to put only the year, not like that months, not like this. You need to put only the years here. So I'll just put it my years, and after that register. So it's already confirmed now. I already get all the information, and if you don't want, you can delete it again. And for the schedule, you can check it above this thing here, schedule now. You can do these things. So for this, in order to register and to go these things, you search a pin. What is your pin code? Like pin means like your area code. So here I'll not put at all pin code, and choose this area and submit. Done. So after you these things, if you don't want to do this, you can go and delete it. You can delete it again. And now I'll be go ahead and replay what thing I used to do as setup. I'll be quick replay for you, so you please watch it and enjoy it. Wow. This one. 5. So I have a green screen. I have a clip right now. I'll fix it. So I already fixed the green screen. You can see right now what I fixed, like what I'm doing. This is green screen, so I don't do any setting yet right now, like the light view you're looking like you're seeing like this, but I'll just do a setting. In the meantime, you can see this. So this stand up like this. So now let me set up. This is my laptop and this is my camera stand. So I'll just go outside and I'll do setting. I'll put the camera stand, let me fix it. So this is my traditional, how to say, tie. We used to, how to say, put in the arm. So this is the thing. This is my cultural sword.